Now let us discuss 100. The reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis. What will be the product among the four options? We observe this reaction that when acetone, that means CH3, C double bond O bond CH3. This is called acetone. Will reacted with methyl CH3 magnesium chloride in the presence of hydrolysis. What will be the product? We clearly observe that methyl magnesium chloride is a Grignard reagent. The use of Grignard reagent is that when Grignard reagent react with aldehydes or ketones, it will convert to alcohols. Now let us see the mechanism. In Grignard reagent, CH3 having the negative charge and MgCl having the positive charge. This negative charge attack on electrophile carbon to form CH3 bond CO minus Mg plus Cl bond CH3 bond CH3. This on hydrolysis. Here hydrolysis takes place here H and OH to form CH3 bond C bond OH bond CH3 bond CH3 plus MgOH Cl is produces. We already discussed that when aldehyde or ketone react with a Grignard reagent to form the alcohols. Here this alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Why? Because there is no presence of hydrogens. Carbon is attached to 3 methyl groups and OH groups. This molecule is called tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. So our options 3 is our